Hi guys, today we're gonna start our video with the broken shop glass. Here is what the drunk tourist did to our store. Damn. Anyway, we are going to continue our videos. Those are the two items I want to talk about today. This is a very rare belt buckle called PAFTI on the Balkans. It is a special Balkan item attached to specific traditional dancing clothes, and this is a bracelet, also part of this traditional dancing clothes. They're made of solid silver, usually low grade. This here is filigree work with Mercury Gold plating. They're attached as belt buckles. In English, this would translate to belt buckles. This PAFTI, they're attached to a specific belt. Here is the back part. Here, this is the way they're attached to each other. They're pretty nice. This is the beautiful bracelet, also covered with gold plating and with spikes everywhere. This is how we open it up in a very comfortable way. They're used only by women. Usually the girls are dancing with these accessories attached to their traditional clothing. I'll try to find any clips and maybe attach some short clip to show you what I'm talking about. Alright guys, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our YouTube page and see you in the next video.